Yeah. 1Ragnar. Every love has a journey, and every journey keeps moving. Love in motion never stays the same. Through the joy, through the pain, we were lost but we came back home. Now we're not alone. Love in motion like the tide, you and I side by side. Every ending leads to start. Love remains in the heart. Love remains in the heart. We started with a spark in the night. Didn't know wrong or right, just two hearts in the city glow, letting feelings flow. Then came storms and rainy days. We almost walked away, but something deep inside us knew we were always true. Now I see the reason why we had to break to fly. Every tear made us strong. Now we belong. Nothing stays the same forever, but love holds us together. Even when we drift apart, it stays in the heart. Love in motion never stays the same. Through the joy, through the pain, we were lost but we came back home. Now we're not alone. Love in motion like the tide, you and I side by side. Every ending leads to start. Love remains in the heart. Love remains in the heart. Now we walk in calm and peace, finally feel release. All the battles we survived made us feel alive. If tomorrow comes again, with sunshine or rain, I will still choose you each time. You are still mine. No more fear, no more fight. Everything feels right. This is where we stay, come what may. Love in motion, it never stops. It just becomes something eternal. 1Ragnar.